If you are planning to take admission in law in 2026 but you are confused between CLAT, AE-Lit, XUT, or various state CET exams, then this video is extremely important for you. Every year, thousands of students prepare sincerely for law entrances, but many of them lose their seat simply because they do not understand the admission process properly. They either apply for the wrong course, miss important deadlines, or fail to check eligibility criteria, and most importantly, not aware of subjects included for entrance exam. In this video, I am going to explain the complete admission process for central and state universities in India, including entrance exams, subjects, eligibility requirements, counseling process, and the biggest mistakes you must avoid. So watch this carefully till the end. Welcome to Law with Professor Anita. Before we discuss universities, you must clearly understand the two main law pathways in India. The first is the 5-year integrated LLB course, which students can pursue immediately after completing Class 12. This includes courses like B.B, BB, LLB, and B, LLB. The second option is the 3-year LLB course, which is meant for students who have already completed their graduation in any stream. One of the most common mistakes students make is preparing for an entrance exam without confirming whether it is for a 5-year or a 3-year law and courses offered. So always check the course eligibility and courses offered before filling out any form. The first is the 5-year integrated LLB course, which students can pursue immediately after completing CLAT 12. This includes courses like B.B, BBI LLB, and B, LLB. The second option is the 3-year LLB course, which is meant for students who have already completed their graduation in any stream. One of the most common mistakes students make is preparing for an entrance exam without confirming whether it is for a 5-year or a 3-year law and courses offered. So always check the course eligibility and courses offered before filling out any form. Now let us talk about central universities. The most prestigious law institutions in India include the National Law Universities, like National Law University, Delhi A. University of Delhi, and Banaras Hindu University, QUT. Admission to most national law universities is conducted through the CLAT examination. However, National Law University Delhi conducts its own separate entrance exam called Ali India Law Entrance Test, AILET. Many central universities such as Delhi University, Hyderabad Central University, Aligarh Muslim University, Banaras Hindu University, etc., may admit students through their own entrance exam, Common University Entrance Test, CUCAT. It is very important to check the official notification of each university because the admission criteria may change. Most national level law entrance exams test students on English language skills, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, general knowledge, and current affairs, and sometimes basic mathematics. Legal reasoning and current affairs usually carry significant weight, so students must develop strong analytical skills and a habit of reading newspapers daily. Competition for central universities is national in nature, which means you compete with students from across India. Cutoffs are usually high, and preparation must be structured and consistent. Now let us understand state universities. Many state governments conduct their own law entrance examinations. Some state universities may also accept CLAT scores, but you must check from official website. State universities generally offer the advantage of domicile quota, which means students belonging to that particular state may get reservation benefits. The fee structure in many state universities is also comparatively affordable. However, students often ignore domicile rules and eligibility criteria, which later creates problems during counseling. Speaking about admission criteria, selection is usually based on your entrance exam score, rank in the merit list, category reservation, and successful participation in the counseling process. Students must keep all required documents ready well in advance. These typically include CLATS 10 and 12 mark sheets, graduation mark sheets for 3-year LLB applicants, caste certificate if applicable, domicile certificate for state quota, and income certificate if applying for scholarships. Missing or incorrect documentation can delay or even cancel your admission. Let me now highlight some major mistakes students make. Many apply without checking the minimum percentage and other eligibility requirement. Some ignore counseling dates and lose their seat despite scoring well. Others focus only on one entrance exam and do not keep backup options. Many students also neglect current affairs preparation, which significantly affects their scores. Law entrance exams do not test rote learning. They test comprehension, reasoning ability, and awareness of the legal and social environment. If you are targeting law admission in 2026, the best strategy is to start preparation at least 8 to 12 months in advance. Develop a daily habit of reading a newspaper for at least 1 hour. Practice legal reasoning questions regularly. Attempt weekly mock tests and analyze your mistakes carefully. Consistency is far more important than studying for long hours without direction. Smart planning, proper exam selection, and disciplined preparation can make a huge difference in your final result. Remember, getting admission into a reputed law university is not about luck, it is about clarity, awareness, and static preparation. If you are serious about pursuing law, take the time to understand the admission process thoroughly before applying. Comment below which entrance exam you are preparing for: CLAT, ALET, QIT, or any state CET. Subscribe to Law with Professor Anita for complete guidance on law entrances and building a successful career in law. All the best for your examination. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.